Economical landscaping for budget-friendly home construction is all about using smart design to get maximum curb appeal with minimal spending and long-term maintenance. Start by thinking in zones instead of trying to finish the whole yard at once, and focus your first efforts on the front entry and the path from the street to the door, since that is where curb appeal pays off most. Xeriscaping with native plants is one of the strongest strategies for low cost and low maintenance, because native species usually need less water, fertilizer, and pest control once established. Ask your local nursery for a short list of hardy, drought-tolerant shrubs and grasses that stay attractive year-round. When you plant, group species with similar water needs together so you can run one simple drip line or soaker hose per group, which avoids overwatering and saves on both water and irrigation hardware. Instead of laying sod, which is expensive to buy and install and hungry for water, use mulch and seed by loosening the soil 2 to 3 inches, raking in a low-cost seed mix, then covering lightly with shredded wood mulch to hold moisture and protect the seed. Plan your yard in phases. For example, structural items first, such as paths and simple walls, then foundation shrubs, then accent plants, and finally decorative touches. This lets you spread costs over time while still seeing visible progress. For circulation, choose gravel paths with a simple, compacted base and a clear border made from bricks, pressure-treated timber, or metal edging, since this avoids the cost of poured concrete while still looking neat and intentional. For slopes or washout areas, consider straightforward hardscape solutions like short timber retaining walls or Gabion baskets filled with local stone where allowed by code, keeping each wall low, and step to reduce material needs and structural demands. People often overspend on complex designs that are hard to maintain, so keep your plant palette small and repeat the same few species in multiple spots, which looks intentional and keeps maintenance simple. Another common mistake is ignoring water flow and drainage, which leads to erosion and muddy problem areas. Walk your site after a good rain, note where water naturally moves, and then use gravel swales, small rock-lined channels, or low berms to guide water gently away from the house and across planted areas. Many owners also try to install everything at once, get overwhelmed by the labor, and then let the yard slide. So, break your plan into clear weekend-sized projects with a written list of materials for each phase and finish one area completely before starting the next. BigHomeProjects.com is our online directory that connects homeowners who want budget-friendly landscaping solutions with local contractors who can work within a clear cost plan. We also help contractors find more projects that match their skills. And our discussion community lets homeowners and pros share ideas, compare experiences, and ask practical questions about economical landscaping and erosion control.